Leave my hand. Get out. Break up. You have nothing, beggar.
I don't have a motorbike, so my girlfriend left me today. I never knew she was so greedy. I never thought our 3 years love would end like this today. Friends, I will make a bicycle out of wood today, that her new boyfriend and she has never seen. Just you see how I make a cycle out of wood. The boy is rich, he has a scooty. I am poor and I have nothing. That's why she has left me. One day she will have to apologize for leaving me. Friends, though I am poor, I have a big heart and I loved her so much. Today I am crying, one day she will have to cry. Friends, please like my video and subscribe my channel. My wooden cycle is ready to run. Hey, greedy girl, just you look my cycle. I am not a beggar.